I am Zay Forever, recording live from Planet X, and this is why you have the attention span of a tricycle. On this channel, I am here to tell you the things that I desperately wish someone had told me before I made all those brutal mistakes in the past. Now, listen, have you ever read the page of a book and then instantly forgot everything you just read? Or maybe you're getting some important work done and you end up on your phone 2 minutes later? And then maybe your phone takes more than 5 seconds to load something and you start feeling the unbearable agony of boredom. Well, turns out 10 years ago, neuroscientists found out that the average person has a lower attention span than a goldfish. I'm serious. Go look it up. And that was 10 years ago. Imagine how bad our attention spans are today in 2026 with AI and brain rot at an all-time high. Okay, I know it sounds bad, but don't worry, there's still hope for us. Because focus and attention span is like a muscle that can be trained. And if you train these muscles, you will be light years ahead of all the other goldfish. Okay, so I'm here to give you 3 simple steps to drastically improve your focus. And even if you actually have ADHD, these steps will help you immensely, all right? So you must do these steps in order or else it's not gonna work. Step 1 is to realize what the real issue is, okay? You know, back in my day, we called it ADD, and they added the H for fun at some point. And ever since I heard about what that was, I thought for sure 100% that I had it because I couldn't focus on anything that wasn't super interesting, and I had terrible grades in school, and all the symptoms, right? All the symptoms. But at some point I realized, it was too late by then, but at some point I realized that it doesn't matter if I have ADHD or not. Because instead of worrying if you have ADHD, you should be worrying about your dog shit sleep schedule. Or maybe your horrendous diet, or the 4 hours of doom scrolling you're doing every day, or your video game addiction, or your gooning addiction, or, just the fact that you're frying your brain, your dopamine receptors 24/7. Okay? This is the real issue. When people think of focus, when people think of progress, when people think of improvement, they think of, oh, I need to grind harder, I need to work harder, I need to do more, I need to work longer. No, the secret is you don't have to do anything. You just need to stop doing things that are destroying your brain. The key is to remove these things that are destroying you, all right? You probably don't have real ADHD. You just have really bad habits that seem normal because everyone else is doing them, but when the average person has the focus of a goldfish, being like them isn't enough. All these bad habits are constantly weakening your focus muscle and nuking your brain into alchemy dust. All right, so your lack of focus is not from a permanent mental handicap you were born with. All right, it's from your unhealthy habits. All right, so if you start removing these bad habits and stay consistent, your focus will drastically start improving. All right, so now that we found the real problem, let's start making things easier for you while you figure out how to stop blasting your brain with endless stimulation. Step 2, removing all distractions. Now, imagine you have Subway Surfers and a cute cat video right here on this side of the screen. And on this side of the screen, you have some important work that you need to get done, all right? So your brain isn't gonna give a single fuck about this side of the screen, all right? It's gonna care about this because you're being distracted. These are distractions. We must remove the Subway Surfers, remove the cute cat videos, because then this side of the screen will be, doable, all right? So in life, you need to remove your biggest distractions. I'm going to tell you the biggest distractions right now. Probably your number one distraction right now is your dirty ass room, twin. You need to clean your room, your filthy ass room. You need to clean it from top to bottom because a clean room is a clean mind. Trust me, this is going to improve your focus instantly. You won't even have to think about it instantly. This is going to improve your focus, all right? Another massive distraction, and you knew this was coming, was your phone addiction. Your phone, your biggest op, your phone, all right? Turn off all notifications on your phone. Every single notification, turn them all off, okay? This is how you cure your phone addiction. And if you're trying to focus on something, like right now you're trying to work, turn your phone off. turn your phone off and then throw it across the room so it's completely impossible for it to distract you, all right? And another massive distraction, and this is something that people overlook and people don't really think about, is multitasking. Neuroscientists also found out that multitasking makes your focus and attention span 40% worse. Almost half. You're almost halving your focus, halving your attention span if you're multitasking. Let's say you're playing a video game, right? And you know there's a 5-second break in the video game, and then you start doom scrolling. When you're doing that, you're training your brain to get used to switching back and forth over and over and over, which the human brain is really bad at. Multitasking is not something the human brain was meant for. It's supposed to do one thing at a time. If you start doing one thing at a time, you'll retrain your brain to be able to focus on one thing. But right now, you're blasting your brain while you're watching a show, you're doom scrolling, you're talking to your friend, and you're eating junk food all at the same time. This is so bad for your brain. It's insane. Even when you're relaxing, even when you have nothing to do, you're training your brain to not be able to focus, all right? Multitasking is horrible. Start doing, if you're watching a show, watch a show. If you're on your phone, be on your phone. If you're playing a game, play the game. That's it. If you keep doing more and more stuff, your brain's gonna get fucking fried, all right? Remove distractions by, if you remove distractions, you're gonna make it as easy as possible for yourself to not get distracted and do the things that you need to do. Okay. We've removed distractions and we found out the real problem. Now for the final step. This is the secret sauce that is going to improve your attention span right now drastically, okay? And it works exactly the same for every human being. It doesn't matter if you have ADHD. It doesn't matter if you're neurodivergent. It doesn't matter if you're literally retarded, okay? This works exactly the same for everyone, so you have no excuse. Basically, dopamine loading is when every day you do the hard, boring, low dopamine activities first. And as the day goes on, you do, easier stuff, more higher dopamine activities, and you save it for the end, okay? The important thing is to do the boring shit first, all right? And I'm gonna explain why this method works so well, and I'm gonna make it as simple for you to understand as possible. So, every morning when you wake up, you have a fresh baseline of dopamine, all right? Your brain is at its lowest baseline it's going to be at all day. This is good. Low is good, all right? And this line is how much dopamine your brain needs to feel good doing an activity. As the day goes on, you're going to be doing activities that have dopamine, and the baseline is going to start rising, okay? It's going to gradually start rising, and depending on how much dopamine you're receiving from an activity. So if you're doing something boring, it's slowly going to go up. If you're doing playing video games or doom scrolling, it's going to go up really fast, all right? So when the baseline is low, the brain is usually satisfied doing almost anything. It's in the morning. This is why you need to do the hardest stuff in the morning. And when the baseline gets too high, you need to do something that has at least that much dopamine for your brain to be satisfied. So let's give you an example. If you played video games, if you wake up and play video games for 5 hours straight, your baseline is going to shoot all the way up right away. And then you try to do an important thing. You try to do something important, right? It's the dopamine level of that activity is way down here. And then if you try to get your baseline to come way back down to this boring ass thing, your brain's gonna be like, are you dead ass? Like, I ain't doing that shit. Okay, so this is why we need to keep our baseline as low as possible throughout the day. This is what dopamine loading is. Okay, you slowly start increasing your baseline. Make sure your baseline is going, at this angle. And if it's going straight up like this, you're cooked. Okay, you're completely cooked. And that's why you can't focus on anything. That's why your attention span is completely awful, all right? This is why you need to be bored. Boredom is overpowered. Boredom is a superpower. You need to start being bored so you can keep your baseline as low as possible throughout the day so you can accomplish what you want to accomplish and become the person that you want to become, okay? The lower, the better, all right? And long story short, every day, always do the hard, boring stuff first. That's it. It's that simple. That is what dopamine loading is. It is overpowered. You need to start abusing this technique before it gets nerfed, all right? Life will be so much easier, and you'll have much better attention span and focus no matter what, even if you have ADHD, and you're going to accomplish what you want to accomplish, all right? So, to summarize everything that I've said, you probably don't have ADHD. You just need to sleep. Get 8 hours of sleep. Sleep is the number one most important thing in the health and the entire universe. Sleep is the most underrated thing. You need to get sleep, all right? And you need to cut down screen time. You need to remove distractions when you need to focus, remove all distractions, and you need to always do the hard stuff first. It might suck at first, but it feels really good to do something hard and accomplish it. That's what we really need in today's modern society. When you do something hard, your brain starts getting trained that doing hard things is good, okay? This is the best thing you can do, is do the hard things first, okay? You're gonna get used to it. It's gonna feel awesome, all right? And that's about it. If you like this video, subscribe. I drop videos every single Friday on how to aura farm, and I'm live on Twitch every single day, 5 p.m. Western, 8 p.m. Eastern. Go check it out. And if you want to farm more aura, watch this next video. Zay Forever, Platinum exclusive, Planet X. Just be yourself, man.